compared to a family. Fishing. Dad, I want to go out and play. Okay, Dad will take you out to play. Give me your allowance. I'll go get the parking ticket. Marry me. Dear passengers, the train is about to depart. Please check your tickets and board. The train is about to depart. Eat, 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 eat. Eat, 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 eat. We've arrived at the famous water park. What a swimming pool. It even has its own LED screen. Look, there are also thrilling and exciting topics. Next, let's take a look at this 5-star buffet restaurant. Your mom is the head chef. Go eat something. Good child, finally reached this. You have elders here. It's necessary to apologize. Take these 2 assignments home and do them. Like and subscribe. First, plan to leave a comment and get ready.